Hello friends, this video I'm creating for explaining you the pricing system which we have on AI SEO writing tools. Initially we launched our app at $199 per month, and now that particular plan is $148 per month. Why we reduce this price? Because we want to offer separately the search engine based AI SEO writing app separately. So if you are a user who don't have a Cora, then if you have limited use, then this plan is good for you, obviously. If you have a user don't have Cora, then any of these three plan can be good. If you are the person who have AI images not required, then you can go with this, create unlimited content. If you need a regular or SD quality images, you can go with these unlimited plan there. If you are a Cora user looking for only the Cora AI app, go for this plan, $148 per month. All these 5 plans are bring your own API key. Up to 15th March 2025, we are having OpenAI cost covered because we got some funding as a startup and we want that benefit to be reached with all of our users. So no matter which app you subscribe, it would be there. If your pricing is above $148 per month, suppose you are paying $199, your renewal rate would be reduced to 148.26. Going forward, you won't have access to AI SEO writing app. No user will have access to all these apps. I understand I have said you words that we will offer free AI SEO writing tools, but telling you honestly, it cost us huge on the scrapping engine, on the various models we are using behind the scenes, so including even the up to the SD quality images. It's almost impossible for me to give that at no cost because we still have many users. Some users still have even lower price than 148 because they joined the software. We still respect their price. Also the AI SEO writing tool, that was not something which I had my words when we launched the software. It was just on the way. I got some ideas. I thought it should be good because not all the user use the Cora. Whatever time you had those free access apps, it is fantastic. You had great content already. Going forward, if your pricing is above 148 for your Cora AI app, I will reduce it to the 148. That's the first thing we will do. Second thing we will do is, if you have a Cora AI app access, doesn't matter what price you have, if you want to opt for any of these 4 options, you can place a separate order. Connect with me, I will give you the best possible discount, getting a discount on any of these. Whatever the best possible, I will see. If you are a Cora AI app user, you will have all the access to the Cora app only. Going forward, you won't have the access to the AI SEO writing tools. Second thing, if you don't have a Cora, if you pay $48 for 100 really good quality content with 3 AI images, I'm not making any serious money from that. We already doing the best pricing possible because I don't think everybody need thousands of content a month. So we had that plan for regions. If you are an agency, you don't have Cora, these plans are good for you. Cora AI app, if you are a Cora user, a business player who trusts on Cora, just go for Cora AI app. The new version is already optimized. I'm doing my best to update the consistently the apps and finding out new ways to deal with the Cora apps. So going forward, I will still be actively working on that. So this message is that you won't have access to any of these if you have Cora AI app. If your pricing is above 148, I will give you less price on the next renewal onwards because we don't have double pricing possible. If in case you want to opt for any of these, just let me know which plan suits you best. I will give you the best possible discount code, and then you can use that, can have that separately, any of these engines which give you the AI SEO writing tool access. So this is it, and I understand I had my words, I tried my best, but then It is not possible to offer it free because we have SD quality images and unlimited plan for AISEO writing tool. Even I tell you honestly, if you use the Cora AI app and you continue it for next 3-4 months, maybe you pay us $100-$150 monthly, your OpenAI cost would be almost zero if you have up to 1500 content required per month. Right now we offer 50 users per day, which is more than enough for most of the users. And I also want to bring it to your attention. Some of our users have hundreds of content created per day through this Cora AI. How they are making that large amount of reports, I have no idea. But whatever the price they have, we still respect them and we don't have any throttle limits there. So that's why I wanted to record this video. If you want to opt for any of the plans, you can go this way, AISEOWriting.Tools, order now. There you get these 4 options, non-Cora, if you need just content. If you need the Cora AI app, you can go here and can opt for it. And I would highly recommend you opt and help me with back support on any of these plans if you really need it. I don't want to sell you something. Next few months, if you have Cora AI app, just use Cora AI app. Get the best content out of the Cora research data, based on the Cora research data. So now the thing is, like, this is just like over the period of time you can understand, like, we have ideas, I have ideas, and I want to focus for Cora AI apps user only for the Cora dimension. So whatever the new ideas we have, may it be the topical map creation through the Cora report or whatever, we will just limit Cora AI app user to the Cora AI app, because that's how I can focus on business and how I can give you the best possible. Up to 15 March, all are bring your own key plans. Okay, these 4 you don't need Cora. For this one you need Cora. So all these plan will have, we have enough funding up to 15th March 2025. Very rare chance the funding will be exhausted by the users. Right now we allow you 1500 credits per month, which is 50 content per day from the Cora AI apps, including the OpenAI cost. So enjoy your subscription for the Cora AI app, and I want you to focus on Cora, because if you focus on this and you also focus on Cora, you will be also distracted and maybe not get the best results. So if you are a person who trusts Cora, who want to go with Cora, just focus on Cora. And that's why I have these plans. Initially we launched it for $199 monthly, now it's $148 monthly, highly affordable. When we see next 3-4 months, you will have free OpenAI cost included. I also same time get 3-4 months to analyze the other open source LLM models, and if we get good results, I will see if possible. I can't promise today, but I will see if possible after March also to just not ask you for OpenAI key. I will try my best. But again, the ranks matters, business pay for business, we all need results, so result has to be there. If results are not there, then it's of no benefit, right? So I will be testing for the couple of months, next couple of months up to the 15th March, whatever the other option we can have for LLM, in case any possibility we need some investment, and from my investment it help you to not use your OpenAI key, because believe me, when you go for 100 content, the cost is not that much, but when you go for thousands of content in a month as an agency for multiple client, even the OpenAI cost matters there. So this is all for now, and whoever the user of Cora app have the access for these AISEO writing tools, I would highly recommend you use it for next 10 days. By the 1st January 2025, we won't have AISEO writing tools app access for the Cora AI app users. It has to be, because I'm investing resources. And I also want to tell you one more thing. Any other user, why I'm saying this is, if any other user also think like this, that I'm making serious money because I'm charging high for the lack of small fee of OpenAI cost, it is not like that. Right now we have hardly 20 or 30 subscribers, maybe 20 subscriber for AI SEO writing tools. The level of cost it have for hosting the servers, development cost, which is priceless because I'm doing myself the development part, immense time I have invested. If we created a AI app and if 10-20 people buy it, and that also we don't know if renew or not, we don't know that. I tell you that whatever the investment I have done in AI SEO writing tools, it's not for today. I have made that app with a vision that it should work in long term, and I will be keep updating the software. But I tell you that whatever the income we are getting from the AI SEO writing tool, that revenue itself is going a huge amount within the system itself, because we have the scraper cost, we have the image AI cost. If you think like I'm a big company, I'm not a big company, I'm a small business. I have to make decisions sometime, and the purpose here is like if we both together associated for Cora AI app, then I'm still here, I'm still with my birds, I'm still will be doing the consistent development. So I would suggest you that if you are a Cora AI app user, let's focus on Cora for your use case, and don't mix up, because so many tools, I understand even people are not aware, our users are even not aware which tool is there. So if you have a very centric approach, Cora AI app subscription, Cora AI app content, apps access, everything would be smooth for you, for me, for the management, and for the cost perspective as well. Because it is almost impossible that maybe tomorrow I create so many tools as the necessities comes. It is almost impossible for me to club everything just because we have a Cora AI subscription for some users. I would highly recommend your cooperation and your support, that because we associated for Cora AI apps, so let us do the Cora thing there. And you are already aware the new versions of Cora AI app are there. OpenAI cost is also taken care now for the couple of 3 months approx, and now the content is way better than before, because I'm very focused with the content quality, because at the end of the day the content would help ranks. That's our sole goal. So that's the idea. I will still keep all the users till 31st December. You will have access to AI SEO writing tools. Going forward, if you need AI SEO writing tools, just budge me. I will give you a special discount code. You would be requested to not share that code, because that code would be only for the Cora AI apps. Also, I want to say, because I'm developing the store for white label services, as a Cora AI app user, you get a flat 30% discount on any of our services except the VPS, because there is a hardware cost. Any done for you services you have, 30% discount would be there for all the Cora AI app user as an additional benefit. If you have something to outsource, any kind of backlinks, any kind of citation, and we can soon have a press release also there. And then if you have any kind of SEO audit required, keyword research required, full stack local SEO monthly, full stack white label website SEO monthly, every service is white label there. You have web design, you have social media posting, every done for your service, we can have 30% discount as of now for all the Cora AI app user as an extra benefit. If you have certain things you want to outsource with white label, I'm here, my team is here. We have like 7-8 people in my team, and as the business grows, I will like to expand it further. I'm into SEO for 18 years, so I know the insights and can ensure the best delivered to you. So thank you very much. Namaskaram. I hope this video clarifies, and I want to mention you one important thing. This video intention is not about taking this app and removing this app. No, I still have a couple of users who paying $199 or $180 monthly. I would be reducing their price for the Cora AI app, because as I said in this video, we respect every one of your business. But I want to tell you, I'm a small business. I have to make more ideas. That has to happen. More app has to happen. More thing has to happen. And when we launch, going forward, I would say we would have a special discount for our community members. If we are associated together for Cora AI app, I'm there with you guys. and I'm very thankful to you for all your support and trust, and I hope to get your continued support, and I will do everything possible if within the Cora boundary for you as a Cora AI app user, whatever best I can do for you all in the business. Thank you very much.